Today I am doing a review on the Hummer's Galore nectar. This is Hummingbird Nectar. This package will make 64 ounces of nectar. You'll see that what is inside are 4 of these packets. When you're fixing your nectar, one of these packets will go into 16 ounces of water, and that will fill up a typical hummingbird feeder. I do really like this stuff because it does not have any of the artificial dyes or anything like that. It says do not use artificial color or sweeteners in your nectar due to the potential harmful effects for birds. You want to change this every 3 or 4 days, or if it becomes cloudy. So it works pretty much like any other, nectar, but again, this does not have any of the harmful preservatives or colors or anything like that are going to harm your birds. If I flip the box over, you can see what the ingredients are. Kind of give you an idea of what you're going to find in there. Some of the specifications: you do not need to boil this or warm it or cook it or anything like that. You just mix it with the water, put it in the feeder, and it is ready to go. Again, this package itself will come with 4 separate bags. So this will get you 4 full feeders. When you cut the package open, I'll put just a little bit here on the table. You can see there's absolutely no dye in any of the granules, so everything is nice and clean. You go ahead and put this in your bird feeder and just mix it with 16 ounces of water. So as you can see, I have all those granules in the bottom of my feeder. All right, I now have the Hummingbird food all mixed up in there. It mixed up very nicely. As you can see, again, no artificial colors or anything like that in here. It's just a completely clear nectar, so that is really nice. But overall, super great mixture. It's a little early for us yet, so we're just starting our hummingbird season, so hopefully we'll see some soon. But if this is a product you are considering, I do recommend it. It mixed up very nicely. This is a product the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. So hopefully my review has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not.